advisory desk. Markets today open on a positive note. However, just before the RBI meet, the traders are remaining on the sidelines, and market is trading marginally flat at this point in time. Nifty is currently trading at 8591 levels, a shade up 4 points, while Sensex is trading also 3 points up at 28,264 levels. However, what we are seeing, the broader indices are performing well, and the BSE small cap and the mid cap index is doing well. BSE small cap index is up 0.5% at this point in time, while the BSE small cap index is up 0.9% at this point in time. In terms of sectoral gainers, we are seeing the BSE healthcare index is the star performer today and is up more than 2.4% at this point in time, largely led by pharma stocks like Glenmark Pharma, which is up 4.5%, followed by Cadila, which is also up 4% at this point in time, which is leading to gains in the pharma sector. Apart from that, Sun Pharma is also up 2% after it gets generic approvals for certain products. Another sector which is doing sectoral index which is doing well today at this point in time is the BSE Consumer Durable Index, which is up 1.4% at this point in time, largely led by companies like PC Jewelers, Titan, and TTK Prestige, which are up in the range of 2 to 3% at this point in time. And because of this, the BSE Consumer Durable sectoral index is gaining at this point in time. Another sectoral index which is doing well is the BSE FMCG index. All the components except for Tata Global and Marico, all the components of BSE FMCG index are up, and because of this sectoral index is up 1% at this point in time. Largely we are seeing action in HUL, Dabur, Marico, and Nestle and ITC. BSE Auto Index is trading 0.8% up at this point in time, largely led by stocks like M&M and Tata Motors. Because of that, this sectoral index is up. Today we had a new listing of Adlabs. Adlabs, who are at one point in time went to days low of 155, and another after that it touched a days high and was locked up in upper circuit at 194. However, at this point in time, Adlabs is trading flat at 180 levels, which is the issue price for the stock. Another stock which is in action is Kitex Government, after its promoters and after its board is looking to increase the share capital from 5 crores to 25 crores, and also is likely to give dividend. So because of that, the stock is in action. KC International is also up 3.5% at this point in time after it bags order worth 1565 crores. Gokuldas Export was locked in upper circuit at 20% after it announced plans to sell robot systems. It's one of its subsidiary. Another stock which is in action is Geometric. Promoters of Geometric, that is Godrej Group, is looking to sell 38.4% stake, and market buzz is that General Atlantic and few other PE are eyeing a stake in this company. So because of that, the stock is in action. Currency at this point in time is trading at 62.1825 level, an appreciation of 31.25 paise compared to previous close versus the dollar. Friends, that's all from the advisory desk. We'll keep you posted on more updates in the post-market session. Friends, have a wonderful trading session ahead.